Can you believe that I have 21 pigs? I'll take that any day. Ha! Oh yeah, this one's all sorts of... Look at that head motion. Boom! Well, I'm gonna be... Dude! This sucker is dope! What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, safety first. I just wanted to switch it up, you know, start off the video in a different environment. Grabbing some lunch right now, but today's gonna be epic. Today we're gonna start off by doing the plants in our patio bowl. Woo! At the fish room, and you may be wondering yourself, where did you get those plants? Well, I just bought them a couple hours ago. Buy two, get the third 50%. I'll take that any day. Now that you know, we got plants. I'm gonna put all three of these into the aquarium. We might get more at a different place later on down the road, but for now, it's a good start. I did say when I got plants for this, I was gonna do this tank as well. The tank with all our premium betta fish in it. But I'll tell you what, these things are expensive, and I have a place, the next place I'm getting plants, that sells them for a lot cheaper. So that's where I'm gonna get this, because I'm gonna need a lot of them. I'm not gonna drop like $500 on plants. This is no point. Hey Chad.
What up, guys?
Guess what we're also doing in today's video? I went and bought this paint too, so we're gonna be doing that.
She's gonna be finished off tonight.
Yep, all black. So we got a lot to do. It's a vlog day. Y'all love these vlogs. When I make them and just kind of just film the day, I never get anything but good feedback. So check this out though. We got the starfish right there, our arrow crab right there, both of our clownfish. Cleaner shrimp is just chilling on top, and our
Coral banded
or
Caribbean reef shrimp.
Caribbean reef shrimp. So there's three different names: Caribbean reef shrimp, coral banded, or candy cane. Little guy's got a lot of names, but yeah, this tank is looking lively. Coral is to come very soon.
All right, let's get to these plants.
Scissors! Ha!
What type is our first plant?
These are ferns.
Oh, I think I want to put one at least like stuck up in here. I think it would look super, super natural.
Next one. I'm very good at cutting my fingers in half, so I just gotta watch myself. Oh yeah, this one's all sorts. I don't know what's going on there.
We're sticking this one in the corner here. Dude, that looks sick. That looks dope, dude.
On to the next switch. This is a gold ribbon. It's looks like that right there. Once I open it, I'll show you more. We're gonna put this one on the right side. And I think this is enough plants, honestly. It looks good. I might get like a cool little miniature lily pad from the next place that we go to later on in one of our upcoming videos. This one's just gonna go perfect. Just like that. That's what we wanted. Little yellow belly right here. We got a little snapper right there. Oh, look, little yellow belly tipped himself upside down. Let's see if he can flip himself back over now. Look at that head motion. Boom, got it. I'm looking for the other turtles. They're in here somewhere. If you didn't watch this video, we created this patio bowl for my turtles, my new baby turtles, and it's awesome. Like, it looks so good with plants. It makes the whole thing tie together. Add in some RO water. Water evaporates fast, man. Now I tell you what, that looks way, way better. And we kept all the plants off the edges so the turtles couldn't climb the plant and get out. I'm telling you, these little turtles are mischievous. They're mischievous, is that the word? You know what I mean. They are very good at escaping. So I've had in the past little snapping turtles especially escape. This is going to look so good when we get guppies too. Like, think about little tiny colorful fish. Now, not many. It's a small body of water, so not many, but just swimming around in there is gonna be beautiful. And our flower horn right here, by the way, look, his whole entire womb came off. Good to go. I mean, it's healed. It's just, I mean, it has a little bit more healing to do. You can see the color is a bit brown, and that is most definitely healing. It's not getting worse. As you know, we've been medicating this flower horn because he's had this growth on his forehead. Here's the food with medicine in it. What are you doing over there? Mixing paint?
Shaking the paint. Shake, 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 shake the paint.
Well, it's because you know why.
Uh-oh,
we gotta
going
paint.
down, Paul?
We gotta paint this pond, baby! Woo! Hit the subscribe button. The water is getting foggy because I have no movement in it. I only filled it up for the video's sake. I really should have got the filter set up. I actually ended up using the filter on the mini pond at my parents' house because I needed to plug in a UV before anything. That pond got clean, I threw the UV on it, and now I have no filter for this pond. So I need to order another one, get that going. And here, we're shaking up paint because it's time to
Paint.
paint.
Shake and paint. We shaking and painting. Shake, 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 paint, paint.
Let's go, baby.
Let's get it.
Paint time. I wish this wasn't full of water. It'd be a lot easier to paint this right now. Yo, that's like 62 degrees, bro. I've got it all taped up. So we got tape around the entire pond here. All the way around, that way when I'm rolling, if I do touch the wall on accident, which, you know, I'm not the best painter, but I'm good at painting. They call me, you remember the name?
I don't.
Gosh darn it, dude, Bob Ross. So we've got it taped up, and it's about time to start painting. Well, Chad's already painting right here, the sides, while I'm gonna be, dude, oh, Chad.
It'll dry, it'll scrape off. Hey, at least it blends in, right?
Bob Ross reporting live, baby. How did we look? First coat, by the way. It's gonna be all black. So we're gonna do about 2 to 3 coats tonight. By the morning, we're gonna be looking as black gets over here.
All right, Paul. How we looking?
You're looking pretty solid, boys and girls. I'm working on the back here. I'm going to drain this water completely out before I actually fill out the water we're gonna use for fish, just in case anything got in here, like, you know, drips of paint, whatever it may be. I'm just gonna redo the water. So ignore the fact that I'm sitting in 3 feet of water right now, but looking good. This is like the first coat, so we're gonna have to do this like 3 times, like I mentioned, but it looks amazing. And once we peel that tape off the back over there, it's gonna look like a totally different pond.
How we looking, Paul?
All right, we got a pretty thick coat along the entire back. I just need to work on the edge here. We're looking pretty solid right now. Like, that's a thick coat. Yes, sir. It is currently 11:48, 11:49 right now, PM, and we have just completed the entire outside. Just now, I had to get out right here, so I'm still soaking wet, but we're working on this right here. Once we paint this, we let it all dry, go back in, untape everything, and we have ourselves a black outlined pond, or a black barrier, or whatever you want to call it. What do you think, Chad?
Dude,
Looks pretty good, right?
Yeah,
it looks
awesome.
so much better. I wish this was painted, then you really get a look at it, but it looks amazing. And then you got to keep in mind, although like I mentioned, I'm draining this water, I'm going to be filling it up to like right here, like a lot higher. This is just like a little test fill, and it's not leaking at all, which is, I just kissed my black fingers. How are these guys doing over here? Looks good, looks good. All you see is Snapping Turtle loves to show himself. Every all of the turtles just hide. Don't think I don't see you, buddy. I see you. What's up, buddies? This is like our little work session right here, and then just to the other side is a bunch of fish and turtles.
Look how crazy that is. Just where it's 1 coat compared to 2 or 3 coats.
Yeah, that's 1 coat. That's like 3. Woohoo! Let me tell you, take a look. Look at that beauty. So nice, it looks amazing. Now keep in mind, we still need to remove all that tape, which will make it look a lot sharper. And we have a couple marks right there and back there, but we have this paint that we could finish up. And we also have a couple marks down here from the brush that we'll have to touch up with this paint, which is right there. This looks insane. Let me know what you guys think. This is nowhere near complete, of course. We still need to do like the structure and everything on the inside of the pond, sand, structure, filtration, a lot more to do on this pond. It's a process, but let me know what you think. Rating 1 through 10, what do you think this pond rates at? You tell me, comment down below, drop your opinion, comment thought down below. I'm gonna be reading through all these comments, replying to a lot of you, so comment, 1 through 10. If you want my opinion, it used to be like, I think last couple videos I said it was like an 8 or a 9. I'm like 9.5 now. It's coming together, and by the time I'm done, I promise you it'll be a 10. A viewing panel definitely would have been great, but right here I'm gonna do a nice black PC logo to fill in this space. I can't take myself serious with these black fingertips. So that will look good right there. This sucker is dope! Woo! Let me tell you, I'm stoked. It is the next day, and I got this nice picture with a frame. I wanna put it like right there. You see that? It's got like coral in it. It's kind of cool. It fits perfectly with this tank right underneath. So imagine it like, you know, it'll just fill in that wall. Here's the pond. As you can see, we removed the tape right here, and that's why it's like flush. I found this little thing, which is the paint for this wall. So I'll be filling in like the little mistakes that we made like that and right there and a couple other spots. I still have to remove the paint on all the way in the back. Sweet, look at all that. All that would have been on the wall right there. It is all dried now, and I like how you can still see that wood look to it, but it's black. You know what I'm saying? You guys ready to eat? You beautiful things. Although you can see my reflection pretty bad if I turn these lights off. Betta fish. Look at those fish, man. The colors are just incredible. And then a lot of it will sink too. As you can see, it's sinking, and all of these bettas are getting. I actually have a little ghost shrimp in there, if you could see him. He's right back there. He's eating right now. He's eating the flakes. Watch how crazy the cichlids go when I feed them. Now, Cuffaros, I have a P.O. box down below. I had it and have had it in all my descriptions. Y'all send me stuff all the time. I want to start opening stuff on camera more often. So if you want to send me anything, whether it's a nice picture frame or something that you've made for this wall right here, or something for the fish room, fan art, whatever it may be, P.O. box is down below. I just wanted to let you guys know I haven't said that in almost a year. Out of the fish room, look at this fish room, so beautiful. We're actually gonna be doing art on the outside of this as well soon. All right, Gary. I am, I'm feeding you. Here we go. Oh, hey, Gary. Not cool. Let's get this food out. Oh, there you go. Yay! Right into this thing, ready? Can you believe that I have 21 pigs? 21 pigs, that's a whole lot of mouths to feed. I will say this though, if anyone wants hogs, I got 6 of them for you. As long as you don't turn them into bacon, I got them for you. These guys right here. You mess makers, that's what you are. All right, let's feed. Oh, all over your face. Oh, Boots. What's going on? There you go. There's nothing in there, dude. There's nothing in there, dude. Look at all the fresh mud marks on the fence. Fresh mud marks. All of them are just mudding right there, and it's like the perfect mud. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I know it was more of like a vlog style, but y'all love that every once in a while. If you have not done so already, join the family, become a Cuffaro, hit the subscribe button down below. It is completely free. Hello, Bati, Bati, Bati. What are you gonna do, huh? If you guys wanna see me upload more often, smash the like button. If that like button explodes, then maybe hits like, you know, 40,000 likes, I'll start posting more often. It's a bit of a grind, but I'll do it. So smash that like button for me. Thank you, Cuffaro, so much for watching this video right here. Check out the merch, top link in the description. See you in the next one. Peace.